Welcome back to UK Ninjas and Commerce classes. In this session, we'll be going to learn about quick ratio. Quick ratio, otherwise called as in test ratio, or liquidity ratio, or liquidity ratio. Quick ratio is the relation between quick asset to current liability. Relation between quick asset to current liabilities. That is, quick ratio can be calculated by applying the formula, that is quick asset divided by current liabilities. Quick asset, otherwise called liquid asset. Quick asset or liquid asset. Then what do you mean by quick asset? Quick asset refers to current asset which can be converted into cash immediately. Is called quick asset. It is to be noted that it comprises all current assets but not include stock and prepaid expenses. And in case of current liabilities, bank overdraft is often not included under current liability for the purpose of quick ratio. The reason is that it is considered as a permanent arrangement with the bank. Then what about ideal ratio? Ideal or satisfactory current asset test ratio is 1:1. 1:1 is considered satisfactory as a firm can easily meet all its current liabilities. Then what about judgment? Higher the ratio indicate sound financial position, and vice versa. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe channel and press bell button for more classes. Thank you.